What if I told you the biggest investing mistake of the next decade won't be buying the wrong stock? It'll be chasing the right one for the wrong reason. Think about it. You've probably seen the headlines. SpaceX could become the biggest IPO ever. Future trillion-dollar company, the next Tesla. Every headline makes it feel like history is repeating itself. And if you don't get in, you'll miss the opportunity of a lifetime. That feeling has a name, fear of missing out. And it's one of Wall Street's favorite weapons.
Because when emotions take over, logic disappears. Today, we're going to talk about the company everyone wants to own, SpaceX. But this isn't another video telling you it'll make you rich. It's about understanding what happens when hype becomes bigger than reality. Because sometimes the investments everyone is chasing are the ones that deserve the most caution. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing this headline: SpaceX officially goes public. Millions of people would rush to their phones. Trading apps would crash. Financial influencers would celebrate. News channels would call it a historic day. Friends who never cared about investing would suddenly become stock market experts. And almost everyone would ask the same question: should I buy it? It sounds exciting, but excitement has a strange way of making smart people forget basic investing principles. History has shown us this again and again. Whenever a company becomes larger than life, people stop buying the business. They start buying the dream. And dreams can become very expensive. Let's be honest, SpaceX isn't just another company. It's changing industries, reusable rockets, satellite internet, human spaceflight, Mars missions. Every successful launch feels like watching the future unfold in real time. That's why millions of people admire Elon Musk. Whether you love him or hate him, you can't deny that he's built companies most people thought were impossible. Naturally, investors want to be part of that story. Who wouldn't? Owning shares in a company that's literally reaching space sounds incredible. But here's the question almost nobody asks. Is a great company automatically a great investment? Those are two very different things. And confusing them has cost investors billions of dollars throughout history. Think back to other moments when excitement reached unbelievable levels. People once believed internet companies could only go up. They believed housing prices would never fall. They believed every electric vehicle company would become the next Tesla. Many didn't lose money because they picked terrible companies. They lost money because they paid too much for incredible companies. Price matters, always. Even the greatest business in the world can become a disappointing investment if you pay an unrealistic price. That's one of the hardest lessons investors ever learn. Here's something that surprises many people. SpaceX is already one of the most valuable private companies on the planet. Private investors have valued it at hundreds of billions of dollars. That sounds impressive. But it also creates a challenge. If expectations are already incredibly high, how much higher can they realistically go? Imagine buying a house. One house costs $300,000. Another costs $3 million. Both might be beautiful, but one gives you much less room for future appreciation. Stocks work the same way. The higher expectations climb, the harder it becomes to exceed them. That's why smart investors don't only ask, is this a great company? They ask, is today's price leaving room for tomorrow's growth? There's another reason people become overly excited. They see headlines, not financial statements. They hear stories, not numbers. And stories are powerful. Humans are wired to remember stories far more than spreadsheets. SpaceX has one of the greatest stories ever told. A company that challenged governments, reduced launch costs, sent astronauts into orbit, built the world's largest satellite internet network, dreams of Mars. It's almost impossible not to feel inspired. But investing isn't about buying inspiration. It's about buying future cash flows. Those are two completely different things. Let's imagine two investors. Mike sees the IPO announcement. He doesn't research, He doesn't compare valuations. He doesn't understand the risks. He simply thinks, if I don't buy today, I'll regret it forever. Sarah reacts differently. She admires SpaceX. She believes it's an incredible company. But instead of chasing excitement, she studies the numbers. She asks difficult questions. How profitable is the company? How much future growth is already reflected in the price? What happens if expectations slow? Could I be overpaying? Notice something? Both investors love the same company. Only one separates emotion from investing. And over decades, that difference changes everything. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Wall Street knows exactly how human psychology works. Nothing attracts investors like scarcity. If people believe something is rare, its perceived value explodes. That's why limited edition sneakers sell out. Luxury watches become impossible to find. And IPOs often create massive excitement before anyone even understands what they're buying. The fear isn't losing money. The fear is watching someone else get rich without you. That emotion has fueled some of the biggest market bubbles in history. And it never feels like a bubble while it's happening. It feels like opportunity. Now ask yourself something. If SpaceX becomes public tomorrow, why are you buying? Because you've carefully analyzed the business, or because everyone else is talking about it? That single question can save you thousands of dollars. Because investing isn't a popularity contest, it's a discipline. And discipline is often boring, but boring decisions have created more millionaires than exciting ones ever will. Before we go any further, let's clear up one huge misunderstanding. Saying be careful is not the same as saying don't invest. Those are completely different messages. SpaceX could become one of the most important companies of the next several decades. It could continue changing space exploration, satellite internet, and technologies we haven't even imagined yet. None of that automatically tells you whether the stock would be a good buy on day one. That's the difference most people miss. A great company can still become a disappointing investment. If investors pay too much, think about buying your dream house. If someone offered it to you at a fair price, you'd probably take the deal. But what if they suddenly doubled the price? Would it still be a smart purchase? Probably not. The house didn't change. The price did. Stocks work exactly the same way. People fall in love with companies. Smart investors pay attention to prices. Now, imagine the day the IPO finally arrives. Television anchors are excited. Financial websites can't stop talking about it. Your social media feed is filled with screenshots of people buying shares. Your coworkers bring it up during lunch. Your friends start texting. Did you get in? Suddenly, it feels like everyone is making money except you. That's when emotions become dangerous. Because investing based on pressure usually ends with regret. History gives us an important lesson. Many of the biggest IPOs in history opened with enormous excitement. Some kept growing over the years. Others struggled after the initial hype faded. Why? Because excitement doesn't last forever. Eventually, investors stop asking, how exciting is this company? They start asking, can this business produce enough profits to justify its valuation? That's when reality takes over. Another thing many people forget, markets don't reward popularity. They reward results. If investors expect perfect performance, anything less can disappoint them. Imagine a student who always scores 100%. One day, they score a 95%. Most people would still call that amazing, but expectations were even higher. The same thing happens with companies. Sometimes great results still aren't enough because investors expected something even greater. That's why expectations matter just as much as performance. Here's another risk that's easy to ignore. Nobody knows exactly what the future looks like. Competition changes, technology changes, government policies change, the economy changes, interest rates change. Even the strongest businesses face unexpected challenges. That's why putting all your money into one exciting company can be risky, no matter how much you believe in it. Diversification isn't exciting. It doesn't create viral headlines. But over decades, it has protected countless investors from life-changing mistakes. There's another mindset shift that separates experienced investors from beginners. Beginners ask, how much money can I make? Experienced investors ask, how much could I lose if I'm wrong? That single question changes every investment decision because protecting your money is just as important as growing it, maybe even more important. Let's imagine two different futures. Investor A buys because everyone else is buying. They never read financial reports. They don't understand valuation. They're driven by excitement. If the stock drops 30%, they panic. They sell. They blame the market. Investor B also believes in SpaceX, but they stay patient. They understand the business. They invest only money they can afford to keep invested. For years, if the stock falls, they don't panic because they invested based on research, not emotions. Both investors bought the same company. One bought a story, the other bought a business. That difference changes everything. Here's something worth remembering. Some of the world's greatest investors have one thing in common. They don't chase every opportunity. They let opportunities come to them. Patience doesn't feel exciting. It rarely makes headlines. But patience has created more long-term wealth than chasing hype ever has. Sometimes the smartest investment decision is waiting. Waiting for better information. Waiting for a better price. Waiting until emotions settle. That's not weakness. That's discipline. So should you invest in SpaceX if it eventually goes public? Maybe, maybe not. The answer depends on something far more important than the company's name. It depends on the price. It depends on your financial goals. It depends on your risk tolerance. It depends on whether you've actually done your homework. Never invest because everyone else is excited. Invest because the numbers make sense to you. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You don't build wealth by finding one magical stock. You build wealth by making smart decisions. Again and again and again. Slow decisions, patient decisions, disciplined decisions. That's not the story social media likes to tell, but it's the story that has quietly created financial freedom for millions of people. So the next time someone tells you, SpaceX is the investment of a lifetime, don't ask, how fast can I buy? Ask, what am I actually paying for? Because the biggest investing mistakes rarely happen because people pick bad companies. They happen because people let excitement replace judgment. And if you remember just one thing from today's video, let it be this. The goal isn't to own the most exciting stock in the market. The goal is to build a future where you never have to depend on excitement to become wealthy. That's the difference between chasing wealth and actually creating it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to DollarWise for more videos that cut through the hype and help you make smarter financial decisions. Because the best investment you'll ever make is learning how to think before everyone else reacts.